Hi, so today here is some air conditioners at an apartment complex. So here is a Goodman and a Weather King. So they are not running. Here is a 4-blade generator. After blade one, let's have a Bristol reciprocating compressor. So, wait. A Goodman with a LED Goodman Score compressor. A 4-blade one and some more. Oh my god, look. There are a lot of Goodmans. There is some 2024. Yeah, that's a LED Score compressors. All the Goodman have the same, but these things are not. These are generators, but it is Goodman. A Goodman. Oh boy, electric shock. So I push the compressor and the fridge is that. Look, it's a open space down there. Feel so bad and sorry for this air conditioner. So you can see a hole. So right back here, a hole right there, and the fridge is that. So it has been corroded. Here is some more. Oh my goodness, I can speak louder. Oh my goodness. Here is some more. A Goodman. Heat more. Not a heat pump. The Goodman is running. It's against maybe. Heat mode. That is running. That is running. Okay, here is some more. Oh my god, I can speak loud. Whoa, what the hell is that for? Here is a MSX Legacy. Mommy, you just scared me. This is from. It is faded. I can't tell. Oh my goodness. So here's your fire model air conditioner not running. A Goodman. Yeah. I bought the compressor and I don't know what it is from. Here is this air conditioner which it is running. Also, it is running. It's from 2020. Maybe it is come on. You have to be quick. Look me. So do I. Score compressor, LED score compressor. Out. Here is another MSX Legacy. It's some spectacular units. A Weather King with a score compressor from 2023.